Good morning again, everyone. It's Janet and
Harper
with cooking, cutting up, and keeping it real. And this morning we're putting together a little breakfast for Tony, who is Harper's mom. Now, I want to ask you, Harper, what's up with the cooking? What got you going with making videos on cooking?
I just really enjoy cooking, and I like to make different things, and it's also really good.
Yeah, and you just do it every once in a while or often, or?
It's every once in a while.
Yes. Do you look your videos up, or your cooking recipes up online, or is it something your mom or dad has made?
Most of the time it's either online or in a cookbook.
And can you name some of the types of things that you've cooked and made videos about?
I've made lasagna once.
Mm-hmm.
I've made oven-baked spaghetti and meatballs. I really enjoy making pasta.
Wow. Have you ever thought about making pasta from scratch, where you actually make the noodles?
Mm-hmm.
Have you done that?
No.
That's a whole process, isn't it? Now here you've made coconut cream pie. Was it yummy?
Yes.
Was there anything in particular that you cooked that was the most complicated or had the most steps to it?
I'm not sure.
I saw maybe a gingerbread house.
Yes.
Yes. And then I was noticing how beautiful all your plating is, like with the way you arrange. What do you think about when you're arranging the food on a dish?
Just what looks nice and what I would see at a restaurant.
Oh, really?
Oh, girl.
So is it like color and texture and design? You're an artist with the way you display your food. Yeah?
Yeah.
So what do you think's going to come next? You're going to keep doing these videos?
Yes, I will.
Yeah, that's awesome.
You so should, honey. You're
Yeah.
good at it.
And what grade are you in?
I'm going to 6th grade.
Are you really? Well, I just think that you look so professional, and I noticed you with a pink chef's hat
So
and
cute.
a pink apron, so you've got all the gear, you got the uniform, you're set to go. Maybe you're going to be like Lisa and start doing this in the future as a regular daily thing.
And then you can always come here. We can cook together. I would love that.
So this morning, we're making a healthy version of oatmeal
Yes.
for your mom, and we've already taken a half a cup of oats. They're the big flaky oats, and we just put a cup of water and we put them in the microwave for 2 minutes. So do you want to scoop that, Harper, into the bowl for your mom?
Yes.
And Tony likes just about everything. She's not a picky eater.
Oh, she's already told us what she wants off our display board.
Okay.
Yes. This is the first time Lisa has done, we'll call it a charcuterie board, but a breakfast board, so that when Tony arrived, she could decide which ingredients she preferred.
Well, I had to up my game because I've seen what they're doing on their page.
And they like to eat healthy.
Yes.
So, yeah.
Yes.
So we bought a plain yogurt, and that can be even more nutritious than putting a milk. So you want to put, and it's very thick, so you want to put some scoops of that on the top. And then after we add everything in, your mom can be the one to stir it all up. But one more scoop, I would say.
And Tony, just so you know, I ate this for breakfast and about licked the plate.
Excellent.
And you know, I usually want lots of sugar. It was minimal and it was so good.
Okay, this is what we used for Lisa's. It's the cinnamon with the sugar already in it. So a couple shakes of that your mom said she would like. Just chunk. You can't, no, you can't do too much of
Girl,
that.
we call it a shake around here.
Yeah.
So just shake.
Shake. And then we up the intensity of the cinnamon with just the cinnamon without any sugar in it. So a couple shakes of that. Doesn't matter how much falls in. You can't go wrong.
And
Yep.
cinnamon is so good for you.
It is, and plain cinnamon without the sugar can actually lower your blood sugars.
It smells really good.
Now, we also added a little of the ground nutmeg, but we only ever do a tiny pinch of that because it can overpower pretty quick. And also, too much nutmeg you have clean hands, so we're just going to do a little toss in there, and then you just throw that in.
She's a professional.
Okay, now the next thing Mom wanted was some honey. So here we go. This is a lemon honey jelly. So it's
Only the best for Tony
honey
Terrain.
souped up, extra special. Wow. Yeah, that's going to be delicious. That's enough, I think, probably, because it's going to be sweet, right?
Very sweet. No, okay.
Tony's like, no more sweet.
Hold on, girl.
That's good.
Slow down.
That's good.
And then
Some fruit.
some fruit. And so she wanted her fruit on the side, so we sort of sliced some pieces along here. So why don't you just do your artistry and make this look special with some of these sliced pieces. Just lay them anywhere you want.
Girl, do your thing.
Do your thing, do your thing.
Mm-hmm.
Cantaloupe.
Mom's getting some cantaloupe.
That's fresh raised on the farm, Tony.
Oh, really?
Mm-hmm.
Oh yes, that cantaloupe is so in season and delicious. She's decorating with the yellow.
And then
Oh, some contrast with your blueberries. Oh, that looks sweet.
Perfect.
And
So-
you got an antioxidant, Tony Terrain.
Yes. Yes, so when you make your oatmeal like this, if you were like me and wanted to go sugar-free, you'd leave out the honey and you'd leave out the sugared cinnamon, and you just have the fructose natural sugar from the fruit. But this is such a healthy start to the day because there is some protein in these ingredients, and then there's the sweet and the fiber from the fruit, and then oatmeal, of course, helps to lower cholesterol. So it really makes a great beginning to the day, and you can do it to suit your own considerations for how you like to eat. Why don't you hold that dish right up to the camera so they can see close up all the ingredients that your mom Tony's going to stir together.
All right, Tony girl.
Excellent.
That
Thank
looks
you.
delicious.
Harper, we're so happy that you agreed to go on camera so quickly because we just love it when we have new cooks on here who, well, you're not really a new cook, you're an experienced cook.
Yes,
right?
she is, honey.
Yes. You gonna do a
So let's
taste
give it.
test?
Yeah, let's give it a try.
All right.
Tastes amazing.
It's restaurant quality, isn't
Yes.
it? Mm-hmm.
Excellent.
Mhm.
Thank you.
Mm-hmm. Y'all, listen, I have to tell about Tony while we were live because Tony and I go way back to 7th grade. We played basketball together. Did you play volleyball? I can't
I
remember.
did not just basketball and softball.
Okay, but this one was talented. She was the guard. I was the center. So my job was to set picks for her, and so she could go for the layup, and she did it so well. And now she has this beautiful daughter, and I thank y'all so much for coming to see me. It makes me feel very special, very special. Now I'm going to start crying, so I'm going to go off camera so I can cry. Thanks for watching, y'all.
Thanks, everyone.